Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body when you stop eating for 72 hours? This isn't just about skipping meals, it's a cellular reset. In this video, we'll break down hour by hour what your body goes through during a 3-day fast backed by science, optimized for performance. Let's dive into the fast lane of biohacking. Hour 0 to 12, your last meal kicks off the countdown. Over the first 12 hours, your body is still running off glucose from that meal. Your insulin levels are elevated, your digestive system is working, and glycogen, your stored form of carbs, is being tapped for energy. This phase is pretty normal, especially if you're used to intermittent fasting. Hour 12 to 18. Now things start to shift. Your insulin drops, glycogen stores are depleting, and your liver begins converting fat into ketones. You may start to feel a bit hungry or sluggish, but this is your body flipping the metabolic switch. It's no longer in storage mode. It's now in burn mode. Hour 18 to 24. Ketosis is underway. Your body is using fat for fuel, and your brain is getting powered by ketones, cleaner, more efficient energy. You might feel clearer, more focused. Growth hormone levels rise, accelerating fat burning and preserving muscle. If you're fasting for performance or longevity, this is where the real game begins. Hour 24 to 36. Welcome to Autophagy. This is your body's internal spring cleaning. Old damaged cells are being broken down and recycled. Your body prioritizes healing over digestion. Inflammation drops and cellular repair mechanisms kick into high gear. This is what many biohackers and longevity experts are really after. Hour 36 to 48. Now you're deep in the fast. Your ketone levels are peaking and your body is running like a hybrid engine. Mental clarity often hits its peak here. Some people experience euphoric focus, others feel calm and present. Hunger may come in waves, but for most this is surprisingly manageable. Meanwhile, your body is increasing its insulin sensitivity and optimizing hormone regulation. Hour 48 to 72. The final stretch, your immune system is regenerating. Stem cell production increases. You're not just preserving muscle, you're stimulating new cellular growth. And here's the crazy part. Studies show that extended fasting may even trigger the destruction of old immune cells and the creation of new, more efficient ones. You're literally rebooting your system. After 72 hours, you've reached the reset point. Breaking your fast should be done carefully, starting with easily digestible foods like bone broth or steamed vegetables. Your digestive enzymes need time to catch up. But the benefits? More energy, improved mental clarity, reduced inflammation, and better metabolic flexibility. You've done what most people will never attempt, and your body thanks you for it. Fasting isn't a magic bullet, but it's one of the most powerful tools in the biohacker's toolkit. It's not just about losing fat, it's about gaining control. If you're new to fasting, start small. If you've made it through 72 hours, congrats. You've taken a massive step toward becoming metabolically unbreakable. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more science-backed breakdowns like this. Until next time, stay sharp and stay strong.